Next, we have a Temescal Valley first. We've never had a stand-up comic before, and we can't wait for you to hear Zach. It's Zach the Apollo, a 6th grader from Mrs. Ryder's class. Let's hear it for Zach.
Hello everybody, my name is... Hello everybody, you might be wondering why a kid my age would be doing comedy. Well, first off, I like the attention. Second, my mom's a comedian and she got me hooked on it. But I went to a couple of her shows and I didn't like what I heard. Well, as most of you know, I'm Hawaiian, so we usually get stuck with some pretty cool names. Usually. My name is Zachary Capelina Nihipali III. Zachary, handsome. Capelina, to pound on a sea creature. And Nihipali, to walk on the side of the cliff. And the third, meaning I'm the third person to have this crazy name. Well, to me this sounds like the 3rd season of Man vs. Wild. My brother has it worse. His name's a whole sentence. His name is Solomon Hukuike Kai Ukolama Lama Anuhanawa Nihipali. Or as I like to pronounce it, Joe. I don't see what's so hard about my last name. I mean, I have so many ways that people have pronounced it. Napoli, Nepali, Napoleon. The list just keeps on going on. I don't know what I'm going to do, really. Should I just come to school every day and write the pronunciation on my chest?
Yeah!
Well, with my one side of the family, you can barely understand half of what they say. With my grandma, I go to her house and she says, aloha. I say aloha back to her and I come in for a hug and she says, no, I mean aloha goodbye, get off me, I'm going to the casino. Same thing with my grandpa. He always speaks in a deep Polynesian accent and he never remembers my name. He always says, boy this, boy that. I mean, it's sad. We have the same name. Plus, most of the time it's making weird noises when you're sitting down. The apple doesn't fall too far from the tree. Every single time when he's sleeping, it sounds like like a hunting hound dog or something. And right when you think the dog's done and you're about to go back to sleep, about parents, time for me to talk about my mom.
Oh. Watch it.
Well, my parents are divorced, so my mom's always trying to get rid of me and my brother when it's her weekend off. Like, I mean, every single time she goes looking for my dad, she turns into Mom the Bounty Hunter.
Nice.
For example, one time when she called my dad, she was all like, if you don't come and pick up your kids, I'm going to do a roundhouse kick to your forehead. That's funny. The only roundhouse she knows is the roundhouse steak special. Plus, she's always making crazy threats to me. Like, you're going to get it, or I'm going to go Chuck Norris on you, or my favorite, you're asking for it. Well, first of all, what's a Chuck Norris? What am I going to get? And I'm pretty sure at that point in time I wouldn't be asking her for anything. Well, before my time's up, does anyone want to hear any jokes about Mrs. Ryder?